dusk-skin steel, speaking their twilight speech, turning not for motion, but for remembrance. Each rotation fractures silence, sparks stitched with marrow-scented dusk. This is not a summons. This is an answer to what never called. Turn the wheel and speak the dust, wounded sparks and dreaming husk. Each rotation sings unheard, not in sound but shifting word. Twilight prays with moving steel, never resting, always real. One gear devours another. Elegance is erosion disguised as rhythm. Within the engine, sleep is forbidden. Rest implies choice. Cables tangle like veins, too proud to bleed. Pulses repeat, not by intent, but because forgetting is impossible when you're made of memory. Turn the wheel and speak the dust, wounded sparks and dreaming husk. Each rotation sings unheard, not in sound but shifting word. Twilight prays with moving steel, never resting, always real. Compressed vapor sings theories no mind can hold. The air inside the chamber remembers burning differently. Pressure speaks in fractures. Faith was never a fire, it was always a system, and systems do not win. Turn the wheel and speak the dust, wounded sparks and dreaming husk. Each rotation sings unheard, not in sound but shifting word. Twilight prays with moving steel, never resting, always real. Winding down is not death, it is recitation in reverse. A prayer unwritten by tongue, recited by spin and hiss. The Vesper engine hums, not with voice but with velocity. Even as dusk settles, the machine does not. It kneels by never stopping. Turn the wheel.